Hi, it's Caroline. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the final part. Oh, you laughed! Stop. Stop breathing, Jamie. Hi, it's Caroline. You laughed again.
No, I did.
Go away. Go. Now that the wine is ready. Oh my God. It was supposed to be dead quick. It's a dead quick process. It's ready. It's just going in there, then it's going in there. It should have been done in 10 minutes.
Ready when you are.
Oh yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to store it now that the wine is ready. Hi, it's Caroline. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the final part of the VineCo Shiraz video. Now that the wine is ready, I'm going to be showing you how to store it and we're going to announce the winner of 3 bottles of wine. In the last video, we degassed the wine, we had the stabiliser and finings and we left it to clear. The wine was actually ready about 12 days ago. I did have a little sample, it's very nice, but as always, I've left it a bit longer just to enhance the flavour. So we've got lovely wine here, and we will have a little bit of sediment left at the bottom. So what I want to do is I want to decant it into a clean sterilised bucket, and then I'll transfer it into the bottles just using a funnel and a jug. So these bottles have obviously been sterilised. These are the nice ones obviously for the winner, but I think this time we're actually going to transfer it into the wine bag, which comes obviously with its own storage box. So yeah, let's get on and I'll transfer the wine into the clean bucket. Tastes nice. Now have a beautiful bucket of wine that's ready to drink. So I'm going to transfer some of it into the 3 bottles for the winner. I'm going to transfer it into 1 bottle that we're going to leave until Christmas Day, hopefully. And then I'm going to transfer the rest into the bag because it's easy to store and it's on tap. So let's go. I'm using a funnel and a jug. Nice. That's 3 bottles for the winner, a bottle for us for Christmas Day, and then off camera I'm going to transfer the rest of the wine into the storage bag. So let's find out who the winner is of the wet wine now that the wet wine is ready. So let's pick a winner. M. Watkins, 1978. You are the winner of these 3 bottles of wet wine. Enjoy. If you've enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe. Cheers! Want to do that again? Take 2. If you've enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe. Cheers!